Hey everyone, good to see you. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Richie. This is Six String Fun. I'm going to get into a tune I probably should have done years ago. It's on the list to do, and you forget about it, and then somehow something reminds you to, oh, I forgot about that, which I do quite often. You know, at least I admit it, right? So, this tune I really dug when I first came out, and I forgot all about it. I heard it again, and it just kind of brought back a lot of memories, and I wanted to, kind of do a quick lesson on this. Halestorm, Here's to Us. I don't know how far back this tune goes. I mean, I want to say 10 years. It could be longer. I might be wrong or right with that. I don't know. But we're gonna do it here. It's a fairly straightforward tune. It's more of an acoustic based type of song. I think on the album when it came out, it's full band and there's a lot of energy to it. But this one you can definitely strip down to just the acoustic guitar, which I think it sounds great. That's why it made it on the list years ago, and better late than never, right? So we'll get into this one. Pretty straightforward with the chords. We got C, got an F, A minor, and a G. And then we're going to just kind of switch them up for the chorus. And then we introduce maybe one or two more chords, if that, for the bridge. But that's the tune. So we'll get into it. Again, thank you for everyone out there who's watched. I really do appreciate everything here. So please like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. And here we go. Here's to us. Here's to you. Thanks for everyone. So let's get into this video. All right, here we go. Here's to us. We're gonna get into this one pretty straightforward. So again, it's a C to an F to an A minor to a G, and we're gonna arpeggiate the opening chords basically. If I can play it right. So when done correctly, it'll sound a little bit better. But it's a C. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I go down to I kind of play the F. Make it your own, but that's basically how that rhythm part would go. Boy, that one's a tough note to get. All right, and then for dynamic purposes, you could always start strumming it. When I play the F chord, typically the C is the same, A minor is going to be the same, and the G is the same. I kind of do the F chord however that moment moves me. It could be a full bar chord. It could be just kind of if you got your C chord, you add the pinky there for the 3rd fret, 4th string. Or I might just kind of play that F open. And but that's kind of how you get it done. Get to the chorus, and the chorus is the same chords basically. We're gonna just mix it up to a G. It starts on a C. To the G, A minor stays where it is, to the F. So really you're taking your 2 and your 4 chords and you're swapping them out. So it'll be this. And my strumming pattern is this. Those are your chords. Now, I hear it, but I don't hear it. I think there's a couple fills in there, if I remember correctly. And there's 2 of them during the chorus. The first one, we're going to go 3 to 5 on the 6th string, 3 to 5 on the A string. And we're going to... So you can kind of go using fingers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Slide right back into that C. Seems to work. I hear it, maybe I don't hear it, maybe I'm making it up, I don't know. And then there's another fill. Again, Could be there, could not be there. Seemed to work when I was jamming. So 4th string, 3-2. Third fret on the 6th string, open 5. Tell me if you hear it, I don't know. But I put it in there. And then there's the bridge. The bridge is going to be D to the F, to the C, to the G. All right. We're going to go back and play the F for 2 measures and the G for 2 measures, 2. And it should sound like this. Hold it. So again, that bridge D to the F, to the C, to the G, holding the F, 2 measures, holding the G, again, bar chord, open, whatever you want to do. Back to the chorus, and off you go. You're off to the races on this one. So, good tune. I think, again, everyone probably knows it for the most part if you're playing it out. It's a good tune. So, hopefully it helped. Enjoy it. Take this and run with it. Again, if you haven't done so, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. I really do appreciate it. Let me know what you want to hear, what you don't want to hear, and we just kind of go from there, folks. So much appreciated. Thanks very much. I will see you on the next video. Yes, you right there. Right there looking at me. You, next.